My name is Andreas Flür. I'm product owner and front-end developer at Pfeifer Holding GmbH. We're a woodworking manufacturer. We're providing all around wood, pellets, shuttering panels. Spryker was the right solution because of its composable architecture. Before we had Spryker, we did not have any B2B shop for our customers. We relied only on the traditional channels. And we had no experience in generating or building a web shop. This was, for us, the most reassuring way to be safe for the future. The main concern were finding the right partner and the right developers, because we're located in a very small town in Tyrol in Austria, and we do not have the manpower to support everything in-house, every development in-house. And so there we needed good infrastructure and a strong partner to build this. We chose Valantic as our implementation partner. Valantic, when we decided to implement the webshop, already had this experience in especially building Spryker, and this was our main selection point. We're building a rather traditional B2B commerce platform. We have the Spryker Auto Upgrader since 5 months now, and this helps us really to sleep better, way better, because we do not have to worry about small stuff like how we getting to the next version of the product. We can focus on our special implementations and our special processes rather than devoting lots of time to maintenance that's not really benefiting us. We wanted a scalable, future-proof technology. With that, we can focus on building our processes and selling our products, and not focus on server stability, infrastructure, and all these things. The Spryker Auto Upgrader is really saving us time and money that we rather spend on business growth and business development rather than just maintaining some platform. And this, I think, is the biggest impact on our solution. As a product owner and developer, it really takes your mind at ease to always use the latest features and the latest versions without worrying too much about legacy code and technical depth.